Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change TikTok username, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your TikTok username, first open up your TikTok app, and on this interface guys, we'll be required to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon guys, and over here you can see the edit profile option available for us just below the following. Tap on that edit profile button over here, and over here you can see a username option available for us. Tap on that username option, and over here you can see my username guys. Now in order to change it, change the username to which you want, and if it's available guys, you can see the save button appearing at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on save and tap on confirm. Then guys, your username on TikTok will be changed. And then guys, this is how to change your TikTok username. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.